Guys, so we are doing Raceland coilovers today on that car, which is David's. Say hi to the 22 subscribers. Yeah, we already have the car up on jacks, taking the wheels off. We will start to spray down and disassemble the factory spring setup, and hopefully not fuck too much up. Yeah. Alright, we got the wheels off, and we got David getting to the top hats. He has to take out that fun trunk trim bullshit. But on the rears, it's two up top in the trunk, and then it's just this one guy right here. Then we gotta force this down, pull it out. The fronts, it's these two bolts. The bottom one's just a straight bolt, the top one's camber bolt, so I'll mark that when we take that out. And then it's just the generic 3 up top. So once we start getting to that, give you an update. Another thing we have to do is we have to check the preload on the coils, because everything's loose. So we're going to check the preload on that, half turn up, and then decide on our actual ride height. But we'll get to that in a bit. I normally say take note of where the camber bolt is, the orientation of it, but we're going more low, so we're going to fuck that up anyways, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, one tool you always need, hammer, so check that. After we knock these out, this becomes loose. We undo the top, pry that down, pry it out, throw it in the trash. Do the same for the rear. Out. Alright, so with every coil you want to pretty much anti-seize the shit out of the shaft. They're Racelands. We'll see how they do. This works with everything. I have done the other side. On this side I have to do the preset on this and then try to set the height, but with all the anti-seize we should be good for hopefully a couple years worth of use. We'll see how they go. We got the front and rears on. I was just doing a guesstimate for ride height, so we won't know what it's actually going to be until we lower it down. That's the rears. Got them all anti-seized up the best I can, so they don't go junk as fast. Front's already done, and now we lower it. It's down on the ground. Ride height looks pretty good so far. Gonna torque down the lug nuts. Just going to take it for a ride. See if the stuff settles a little bit more. And then I guess we'll go from there. Raceland install is done. Went for a drive, nothing fell off. Happy?
I am.
Going to retorque everything in a little bit and send it, because Racelands. So yeah, thanks for watching.